Well, I hope that we can go as far as we possibly can. I think it's going to take them really bowling consistently well, picking up their spares. But my hope is we carry the success that we had in the regional tournament into state and make a good long run.
I think we have a good team, so I think we're going to do a pretty good job and just try our best. I mean, we didn't expect to make it that far, so we're just going to do our best when we get there.
What I've seen the most was really strong development with our younger bowlers, taking from the leaders from our seniors, particularly on the both on the boys and girls side, but I think mainly like the big thing that happens with bowling is they finally started kind of embracing what we were trying to coach and teach, and that takes a long time and a lot of patience, and I think over the last couple weeks at the end of the season we really saw it coming through with both teams. So it was great to see, and I hope that they carry that next year.
I grew over the bowling season by just my skill improving. It's my first year on the team, so I think I definitely I was at an average of 60 a game to around a 120 by the end of the season. So I'm real happy with that.
I would suggest asking any of our bowlers now how much fun it is. It is a blast. You learn a great sport. It's something that you can do on your own. It's inexpensive, and we have a lot of fun.
Definitely, it's really fun. Mr. Eckerly's a great coach, so yeah, definitely.